Do you know the feeling when you want to automate trading, but don't know which expert advisor to trust? There are thousands of experts on the MQL5 marketplace. Choosing a worthy product among them is not an easy task. Today, we will review Swingmaster EA, one of the notable advisors for MetaTrader 5. We'll see what's under its hood, who is behind it, and why it's worth paying attention to. And we'll also tell you about the developer. He has an interesting history on the market. If you're interested in such reviews, subscribe to the channel and check out our Strifor Telegram. There are daily market updates. The link is in the description. So let's get started. What is this advisor and how it works? Swingmaster EA is a trading expert for the MetaTrader 5 platform from developer Igor Otkidak. At the time of this review, its price is $749. The rating on MQL5 is 4.37 out of 5 with 72 reviews. The demo version has been downloaded almost 5,000 times. The current version is 4.0. What's inside? The advisor is built on the basis of the author's manual strategy, algo pumping. It's a reversal trading on swing reversals. Simply put, the expert looks for moments when the price breaks through a local maximum or minimum and turns back. For analysis, modified Bollinger Bands, RSI, moving average, and the author's swing indicator are used. All this works on the M15 timeframe. The developer also announces support for H1 and H4 in future updates. And now let's talk about the person who created all this. Who is behind this product? Igor Otkidak is not a newbie who posted one advisor and disappeared. He is an experienced developer with a whole portfolio of products on the MQL5 marketplace. Among his works is the Divergence Bomber indicator with a rating of 4.89 and more than 80 reviews. There is Grabber System, an all-inclusive trading strategy with a rating of 4.82. There is algo pumping, the very indicator on which Swingmaster EA is built, with a rating of 4.75. What does this mean for us? The developer is not just selling one product. He is building an ecosystem of tools, regularly updates them, and supports users. This is evident from the number of reviews and high ratings of his products. By the way, Igor is actively developing Swingmaster EA. He has a roadmap with plans, adding a positional trading strategy on higher time frames and a light averaging mode for those who prefer a more active approach. Main features of Swingmaster EA. The first thing that catches the eye is wide diversification. The advisor works simultaneously on 15 currency pairs. Among them are EUR/USD, GBPUSD, AUD/USD, USD, CAD, and others. Due to a portfolio of 15 instruments, the overall yield curve is smoothed out, and this is one of the key ideas of the expert. The second important point is the absence of martingale and aggressive averaging. Each trade is protected by a stop loss. For many traders who got burned on advisors with grit and martingale, this is fundamental. The third point is the low entry threshold. The minimum deposit is from $200. It works with any leverage, from 1 to 30 to 1 to 1,000. The developer also claims that the advisor is suitable for trading through prop firms. By the way, if you want to understand how swing reversals work manually, open the Strifor MT5 terminal and try to find such moments on the chart yourself. This is useful for understanding the logic of any expert. Real performance of Swingmaster EA. Swingmaster EA is an expert advisor that uses RSI, ATR, and Bollinger Bands to trade in the market. When analyzing its performance on the GBPNZD pair during January and February of this year, it's evident that most trades were profitable, with gains of up to 70 pips. Although there were some losses, they were controlled. In total, the advisor achieved a net gain of approximately 40 pips on this pair during the first 2 months of the year. Considering it can operate on up to 15 different pairs, these results are promising. What users say? Users note stable performance, accurate entries and exits, good diversification across pairs, and adequate support from the developer. One of the traders wrote that after 2 months of use, the account grew by 18%, and the expert coped with drawdowns and recovered. Others praise the absence of martingale and competent risk management. Separately, they note that the developer is in touch. He answers questions and regularly updates the product. For long-term use, this is an important factor. User reviews about the expert vary. There are both positive and negative ones. But if you look at the overall picture, the average rating is kept at the level of 4.5 points. This indicates that most clients are satisfied with the expert's work. Moreover, there are many examples when the expert helped to achieve excellent results over a long period of time. So, despite different opinions, the facts show that cooperation with this expert yields good results. How to try it? Swingmaster EA is a serious product from an experienced developer with a clear strategy, wide diversification, and protection of positions with stop losses. The absence of martingale is a big plus, and a whole ecosystem of Igor's products on the MQL5 market suggests that there is a systematic approach behind this advisor. Our advice before launching any expert on real money: test it on a demo account. See how it behaves in different market conditions. You can do it without risk on a Strifor demo account. The link to open an account is in the description. What to do next? Write in the comments. Do you use trading experts or prefer manual trading? It's interesting to know your experience. Subscribe to the channel to receive more useful information.